No, he's never gone. Or maybe I should take water. You know, when you take water, but in the wrong side.
Yeah.
You know, if you keep my leg up,
Try.
I drink water. Sometimes I just have to slow when he's gone. Wait.